The sloth moves slowly, sleeps for long hours and rarely comes down from the trees, which makes it appear lazy to us. However, its lifestyle isn't due to laziness, but to adaptation. Its metabolism is very slow because it feeds almost exclusively on leaves, which have few nutrients and are difficult to digest. To avoid expending more energy than it obtains, it moves slowly, rests a lot, and even its heart beats slower than that of other mammals. In other words, the sloth isn't lazy, it's wise. It lives at its own pace in balance with what its body needs and what the forest offers. Above all, the sloth is dedicated to surviving while expending as little as possible. Its daily work consists of eating tender leaves, digesting them slowly and resting to conserve energy. It spends almost its entire life in the trees. It clings with its strong claws, moves slowly between branches and camouflages itself among the leaves to avoid predators. They also spend time doing something very unusual, climbing down from the tree once a week to relieve themselves on the ground, taking considerable risks along the way. Aside from that, their main occupation is sleeping, feeding, moving just enough, and maintaining their characteristic slow pace. The sloth's life is slow in almost every way, but when it comes time to reproduce, nature has it covered. When the female is in heat, she emits loud, high-pitched squeals that resonate throughout the jungle. It's her way of letting the males know she's ready. The males, who are normally calm, then become active. Some even fight while hanging from branches with slaps and bites, although everything is still much more leisurely than with other animals. When the male manages to approach, copulation is short and simple. It doesn't require quick movements or long chases. Both cling to a branch, the male settles behind the female and mounts her. It all happens in a few minutes, with the slowness and clumsiness that characterizes them, but enough to fulfill the purpose of reproducing. Afterwards, each individual continues his solitary life, as sloths do not form stable pairs. The female takes care of the offspring alone.